My name is Kristen. I work in the data operations department here at Diesel Laptops. My job as the team leader is to oversee the step-by-step repair and troubleshooting information that's available on truckvaultcodes.com. I started at Diesel in December of 2017, so I'm coming up on 2 years with the company. When I started, I believe in Truck Vault Codes we had maybe 2 or 3 people. I can say that when I started with the company, we were in the second building, and to take a tour around the building took about 10 minutes to see everything and meet everybody, and I would imagine now that would take a whole lot longer and probably require some of those "Hello, my name is" stickers. I currently have 5 people on my team. They're a great team. Can't do what I do without them. My favorite part of my job is that, it challenges me every day. There's always something new to learn. The people that I work with, no 2 days are ever the same, whether I'm training, answering questions, quality reviewing work, or actually uploading the content to the website. Every day is different. I get all of my material from the product manager, and then from there I have to take it and create the content to make it Diesel content. As far as my team, I work with a great group of hardworking, dedicated people who genuinely love what they do, and that's a great motivator coming into work every day to know that you and your coworkers share a common goal of producing quality content for the customers. It's always nice to come in the building. There's always a friendly face. I have to say, the company as a whole, I feel like it's not always just about the numbers or the bottom line, the sales. It's also, obviously customer satisfaction is a #1 priority, but employee satisfaction is too, and I think that creates an awesome working environment. Little Kristen, my very first job ever, I was since 16, I was in high school, and I was a pool waitress at a country club. But I have to say that I started every day there with a Welch's grape soda and a Butterfinger. See, now my dream job would be the woman who comes up to the pool waitress and orders. My dream job is yet to win the lottery and just live my best life. That's my dream job. The beach. The beach is my zen place. I don't care where the beach is, just as long as there's sand and an ocean, I'm happy, and a drink in my hand. I'm happy.